Today, I am going to teach you how to make a powerful mixture that can clean your sofa, mattress, and car seats in just a few minutes, using only 3 ingredients. To begin, take a container and add 500 milliliters of water at room temperature. Next, add 150 milliliters of liquid detergent, you can use any brand you like, followed by 150 milliliters of rubbing alcohol. Lastly, add 90 milliliters of 40 volume hydrogen peroxide, which you can easily find at any pharmacy or supermarket if you don't have it at home. After adding these ingredients, mix them well. I use this mixture at home to clean my sofa, mattress, and all fabric surfaces, and I'm sure you'll be amazed at how well it works. Next, pour the mixture into a spray bottle, which you likely already have at home. Now, we are ready to begin our cleaning process. Before we start, let me know which city you are watching this video from so I can send you a special greeting in the near future. To demonstrate how well the mixture works, I have a mattress that is a bit dirty. I will spray the mixture all over the area that needs cleaning, and with the help of a brush or sponge, I will clean it until it looks like new. If you have a light-colored mattress like mine, you know that it can get dirty easily and needs regular cleaning. Keep in mind that this mixture is powerful enough to remove stains that are not too deep. If the stains are permanent, however, it won't be able to remove them. This mixture is meant for cleaning, not stain removal. If you enjoyed this tip and want to receive more videos like this, please leave a comment below letting me know that you want more tips. This helps me know if I'm doing it right. Today, I want to send a special greeting to Emma and Noah Miller from Canada. Thanks for watching, and I'm sending you a big hug. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips like this one.